I'm going to show you how to make the vinyl pet paws and kitty claws coaster from Kreative Kiwi. For this I'm going to be using a 4x4 hoop, a layer of cutaway stabiliser, a selection of threads, some pins, sharp fabric scissors and 2 pieces of vinyl cut to size. Start off by hooping your layer of cutaway stabiliser, and then we're going to pin around the top edge of the hoop. So take your pin, rest it on the inside of the hoop, the hoop part, push it through your stabiliser, bring it back round and through again, and that's going to anchor the stabiliser so that it doesn't slip down as it's stitching. Load your file into your machine along with the thread colour that you're going to use for the wording, and then you're going to stitch round number 1, and that's going to give you a placement outline for your vinyl. Place your vinyl over the outline and then tape it in place. Pop your hoop into your machine and stitch round number 2, and that's going to secure it in place. Making sure that you've got your thread colour loaded in for the text, you're now going to stitch round number 3. Load your thread colour for the pet motif into your machine, and then you're going to stitch round number 4. We're now going to add our backing, so turn your hoop over, place your vinyl over the outline and then tape it in place. Load a matching bobbin and thread into your machine, and then you're going to stitch round number 5, and that's going to do the decorative stitching inside the outside line, as well as join our backing to the hoop. I've removed all the tape from my hoop. I'm just going to remove these pins. And we can now free this from the hoop. Next we're going to take a sharp pair of scissors and we're going to cut a hair's width just inside the outer stitch line. So the outer stitch line will be gone. Just tidy up any of the loose threads that are remaining on there. And that's our coaster finished. I hope you enjoyed this stitch along. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified of new videos as soon as they're published. Do pop along to Kreative Kiwi's Facebook group. There's lots of ideas, help and inspiration there for everybody. And thank you very much for joining me. You'll find a link to this design in the video description below, along with lots of other information such as where I get my supplies and also some discount codes for you as well.